everyone, this is Sakir Hussain from Dealing Middle East. The last year was one of the best year for the whole IT industry because due to the pandemic, there has been a lot of demand suddenly arisen for the work from home, or let's say from all the segments which is going to be online, which were actually planned maybe after a couple of years, but due to the pandemic, everyone was forced to go online. But as Dealing, we already forecasted something, a product line called which is Nucleus, which is the cloud remote based solution. So which was available on time, which people could make use of it, and it was one of the best products for people to go online, sit at home and do the work remotely for the office as well as for the education sector as well as all the segment, which was one of the best products for the pandemic situation. Because see, Dealing has been one of the oldest networking vendor in this region. So we have been here for more than almost 25 years. So we have created an ecosystem which is managed well with different partner trials, and that ecosystem is very good working for us. So it is like a system which is there already. So we do two-way communication with our partners as well as the distributors and to the customers. So eventually, Dealing has been one of the forefront in technology innovation, so which has been there for quite a long time. So this made us to be one of the leader in the networking technology for the more than 2 decades right now. See, Dealing is one of the major player in the networking segment. So we have the products to support each and every segment. Say precisely if you're talking about from the consumer to business or to the entry-level enterprise systems, we have an entire line of products. Be it a switching, or it's a PoE, or it's a camera, or it's a passive products, or it's a 4G, 5G router, or any products related to the connectivity. And we are the leader for that right now. So today, Dealing has managed to build up that system which supports and products required for each and every segment of the connected world right now. Dealing has been one of the pioneers in SMB, supporting the SMB, as this region is consists of, let's say, more than 90% of the SMB companies. So we have the product line which is going very well, and we do have a lot of innovative products developed for this segment. So this has been one of the biggest sector right now, but due to the pandemic, everyone was more reliable on wireless. So we have seen a big surge in, let's say, 4G, 5G technologies as well as the demand for the high-end wireless products. Yeah, these due to the pandemic, we have seen a very good demand for these products. So we have the mesh products available, and we have lately released one of the new products in the segment, which is the AI mesh router, which is we have branded it as the Eagle Pro, which will be that means that the consumer can for the router, so which is powered by AI. AI means fully powered by AI. So a lot of things will be done by the artificial intelligence itself, so that the user intervention will be much less compared to any other router. Yes, it is. We do catering to that segment as well. We started this some time back. Right now, we do have the production IP as well as the CCTV, CC technology segments, and we do. Yeah, we have. See, it is like a mandatory as per the law. Everyone needs to have that camera to be there. So obviously, there is a growing market, and we are there also with a lot of new offerings on the both segment IP as well as the CC.